Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold a paper airplane so you can compete in a paper airplane contest against your family members and see who does the best, alright? So for this, all you're going to need is pieces of paper. Any kind of paper will work. It doesn't really matter the shape too much. You can kind of go with it. If you want, you can also use a little bit of tape. So to make our paper airplane, we're going to start taking a piece of paper. You're gonna fold it in half, right? Hot dog style. Just one nice fold with a good hard crease, okay? And then once you fold it, you can unfold it, okay? So we are going to take it off these top corners up here on this top side, and you're going to fold the right corner into the middle, right along the crease that we made in the middle, okay? So we're gonna take the corner that we made and pull it into the crease that we made. And then straighten it out a little bit so it's nice and light. And then you're going to take it with the other corner and do the exact same thing, the left corner. You're going to take it in. And you want to get kind of a point in the middle, right? So you can tweak it a little bit so that you have this nice spot in the middle. Get it along a nice little groove there. Okay. Now, next thing you are going to do is you're going to fold, so you have these two corners that we just made now along these edges, and you're going to fold this in so that it meets along the middle, right? So we want to get this one onto the middle crease. So fold that corner in, make a nice point up at the top here. So you have this fold along this line, right? You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to take the corner and pull it into the middle along our middle crease. Get a nice stiff point up at the top. Right? There you go. Okay. And then fold it in half, okay, on our crease that we made earlier, right? I'm gonna fold it in half, hot dog style still. And we have these little tips on the side and everything. So we have a little flat edge right here. So we're gonna take it so that this flat edge up at the top is even down at the bottom, right? So I'm gonna pull this corner down so it lines up with our bottom edge on one side, and then do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to take this top part and fold it in so that it lines up along this bottom edge. The flat part lines up with the flat of the bottom edge. I'm going to fold it in, okay? So now we have this. I'm going to pop them up a bit. So now you have your finished airplane. Look at that. That was only a few steps, right? So very simple. You can easily, right? It's gonna fly real quick. We call these dart planes. Okay, now if you really want to get this so that it doesn't pop out as much too, you can take a piece of tape, right? Take a piece of tape and fold it so it's in a circle, okay? And then once you have your piece of circle tape, you can stick it on the inside of this crease and press down so you get that nice, so the sides are all pinned together so it doesn't pop out as much. That's even easier to fly, right? Okay, now with your airplanes, now challenge your family to make a bunch of airplanes, or just your siblings, or and you can have a competition. See who goes the fastest, the farthest, you name it. Have fun, okay? Goodbye.